So I saw your question here. Looks like you got part of it completed. Page 388, has the guidelines, the 8-step guidelines that I guess they're working you through here. I guess one question was how to find the critical values, and they're based on alpha. Alpha is 0.05, and because it's a two-tailed test. Okay, so the different way you could use calculator, you could use a table. I'm going to use stat crunch to find the critical values. So you go in Stat Crunch, you need to click on, guess you can't see it there, but you need to click on the stat column, then calculators and the normal calculator. And since it's a two-tailed test, I need to click on between. And this area here is 1 minus alpha. Alpha is 0.05, and so, the area is 1 minus 0.05, which is, 0.95. That's that area there in red. So alpha is given 0.05, it's a two-tailed test, that's why I chose between. And the area here in red is 1 minus 0.05, 0.95. So since z-score you leave that as 0 and 1, then you just put in 0.95 here for that area. It'll give you these two z-score critical values. You click compute, there they are, for you. So that's how you do it with a two-tailed test. Now your other question is how you find the z-test statistic. If you look on this page, they give you this formula here. That's p hat minus p all over square root of p times q over square root of n. And those numbers are all given up here. P hat's 0.23, p is 0.27. Now this is q. It's the complement of p. It's 1 minus p. So p, is 0.27, so this is 1 minus 0.27 or 0.73, and n, that's 100, that's given. So yeah, you do got to calculate q here. Then if you put that in your calculator correctly, you be real careful with your parentheses. You get minus 0.90. Hope that helps.